Buckle up, gamblers and glam seekers. Las Vegas calls, and it's not offering early bedtime. Forget the predictable buffets and slot machines. Join me, your guide and fellow night owl, on the Travel Insider channel, as we ditch the guidebooks and delve into the heart-pounding underbelly of Las Vegas after dark scene. Think high-energy club hopping with champagne showers, intimate rooftop revelry under a star-studded sky, and maybe even uncovering hidden speakeasies with secret passwords. This ain't your average night out, folks. This is a Sin City fiesta for the senses, a neon-fueled adventure that'll leave you begging for more. But hold on tight, party people, because Vegas nightlife is a glittering tapestry woven with diverse threads. We'll rub elbows with high rollers in iconic clubs like Omnia or Hakkasan, letting loose to heart-stopping EDM beats or hip-hop anthems. Then, we'll escape the dance floor and climb to breathtaking rooftop bars, sipping handcrafted cocktails while the city sprawls beneath us like a jeweled oasis in the desert. But if you crave something more intimate, we'll go speakeasy hopping, whispering passwords or solving riddles to gain access to hidden bars where vintage vibes meet expertly crafted cocktails. And for the music lovers, we'll venture beyond the usual suspects, catching soulful jazz at the Dorsey, grooving to blues on Fremont Street, or discovering hidden gems showcasing up-and-coming local talent. But wait, there's more. We'll go beyond the usual suspects, indulging in quirky experiences like stand-up comedy shows that'll have you rolling on the floor, mind-bending magic shows that defy reality, and even a spin on the high-roller observation wheel to witness the city glittering under the moonlight. Vegas isn't just about dancing and drinking, it's about unleashing your inner adventurer and creating memories wilder than a slot machine jackpot. So, are you ready to trade your poker face for a party grin and embark on a Vegas adventure that'll make your wildest dreams seem tame? Tell me in the comments below, what excites you most about Vegas nightlife? Is it the electrifying club scene, the intimate rooftop vibes, or something else entirely? Let's paint the town red together. Alright, party people, let's dive into the electrifying heart of Vegas nightlife, the club scene. Imagine yourself surrounded by high rollers and celebrities, VIP bottle service clinking at your table, and world-famous DJs dropping beats that make your heart vibrate. From the electrifying EDM anthems of Omnia to the hip-hop haven of Hakkasan, and the pulsating techno of XS, Vegas clubs cater to every musical taste. But remember, Vegas clubs aren't just about the music, they're an immersive experience. Think dazzling light shows, acrobatic dances defying gravity, and even pyrotechnics that ignite the night sky. However, navigating this scene requires a little know-how. We'll share insider tips on dress codes for different clubs, bottle service etiquette, and even how to score VIP access for the ultimate night out. Now, if you crave a slightly more sophisticated experience, let's ascend to the city's rooftops. Imagine sipping handcrafted cocktails with panoramic views of the Bellagio fountains dancing beneath the stars. These havens offer stunning cityscapes, live music under the desert sky, and a more relaxed atmosphere compared to the club scene. But remember, some rooftop bars require reservations, so plan accordingly to avoid missing out. This is just the first taste of Vegas nightlife, fellow adventurers. Up next, we'll delve into the hidden world of speakeasies and explore offbeat experiences that go beyond the typical tourist traps. Tell me in the comments, are you ready to conquer the dance floor in iconic clubs, sip cocktails with a view on a rooftop haven, or something else entirely? Stay tuned for the next chapter of our Vegas nightlife adventure. Remember the days of hidden bars and secret passwords? Well, Vegas keeps the spirit alive with its hidden speakeasies. Imagine whispering a password at a nondescript door, pushing it open to reveal a dimly lit haven with vintage vibes and expertly crafted cocktails. These gems offer a unique escape from the neon chaos, transporting you to a bygone era of elegance and mystery. But finding these hidden treasures isn't always easy. We'll share insider tips on researching speakeasies, deciphering cryptic clues, and even some password hints. Remember, the thrill of the hunt adds to the experience, so put on your detective hat and prepare to be surprised. Now, if you crave a more local and authentic experience, ditch the velvet ropes and dive into the world of Vegas dive bars. Imagine clinking beers with friendly locals, swaying to live music on a rickety stage, and enjoying no-frills drinks at wallet-friendly prices. These unpretentious gems offer a glimpse into the city's soul, providing a stark contrast to the glitz and glamour of the Strip. But remember, dive bars have their own etiquette. Respect the regulars, be mindful of the noise level, and don't expect fancy cocktails. It's all about authenticity and camaraderie. So, grab a stool, strike up a conversation, and embrace the unfiltered Vegas experience. So, tell me in the comments, party people, are you ready to embark on a speakeasy treasure hunt or dive into the friendly chaos of a local dive bar? Remember, Vegas caters to every taste. Choose your adventure and let the hidden gems guide you. Stay tuned for our final chapter, where we'll explore offbeat experiences beyond the usual suspects and show you a side of Vegas you never knew existed. Vegas is calling, and the night is young. Alright, party people, we've danced under the stars, sipped cocktails in hidden dens, and delved into the local scene. But Vegas holds more secrets than a magician's hat. Let's leave the typical tourist trail behind and explore its offbeat nightlife offerings, where laughter echoes, magic unfolds, and adrenaline pumps. First stop, unleash your inner chuckle monster at a Vegas comedy club. Imagine roaring with laughter as renowned comedians like Carrot Top at the Luxor or Brad Garrett at the MGM Grand Garden Arena tickle your funny bone. From observational humor to witty one-liners, these clubs offer diverse comedy styles to suit every taste. Tip: check show schedules and book tickets in advance, especially for popular headliners. But if you're seeking a different kind of wonder, step into the captivating world of Vegas magic shows. Imagine being spellbound by dazzling illusions at Matt Franco's Magic, out of thin air at the Link Hotel, or mind-bending sleights of hand at Chris Angel Mind Freak at the Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino. These shows cater to all ages, offering family-friendly entertainment like Piff the Magic Dragon at the Flamingo Las Vegas and adult-oriented performances with a bit more edge like Murray Sawchuck, paranormal and hilarious at the Tropicana Las Vegas. Remember, magic thrives on surprise, so sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Now, if you're an adrenaline junkie, ditch the dance floor and climb aboard the high roller observation wheel at the Link Promenade. Imagine soaring 550 feet above the city as the desert landscape unfolds beneath you, all lit up by a million neon stars. Enjoy 360-degree panoramic views, marvel at the dazzling lights, and maybe even indulge in a cabin with an open bar for an extra thrill. But remember, Vegas' offbeat scene doesn't end there. Belt out your favorite tunes at vibrant karaoke bars like the Golden Tiki or Karaoke Cat House, discover burlesque shows with dazzling costumes and captivating performances at the Crazy Horse Saloon or the Atomic Saloon Show, or even witness the spectacle of the Bellagio fountains dancing in the moonlight accompanied by live music at the Water Show Bar and Grill. So, tell me in the comments, fellow adventurers, have we opened your eyes to the offbeat gems of Vegas nightlife? Did the Laugh Factory tickle your funny bone? Did Chris Angel leave you speechless? Or did the high roller take your breath away? Share your favorite offbeat Vegas experiences and let's build a community of adventurous night owls. Vegas is a playground for the unconventional. Stay tuned for more adventures, night owls.